YouTube, man? It's your boy, man. I'm back again with another video, baby. And today's video, man, we're gonna just keep it simple, smooth. I'm really not going to do too much editing to this video because I want you guys to see like the actual raw footage of the way I edit. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I'm talking like this. You know what I'm saying? We're grilling now, so it is what it is. I hope y'all can understand me. That was scary. I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna try to talk as clear as possible, so you guys can understand, everything that I'm saying. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So as you can see here, right now I have Kodai up. So Kodai is one of, I guess you can say, the easier setups. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Sole. Whoa. Don't steal my proxies, bro. I'm gonna block them out though. But so what we're gonna do is this is basically all I do. I'm gonna pull up Discord. And what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to find my SKU numbers, plug all of those in. Okay, Discord is taking a minute to load up, but hello? Whoa, I got plenty of messages. But what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go here. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Sole Notify Gang. We did go paid now, so we're no longer a free cook group. The free beta is now over, and we're now a paid cook group. And right now the price is $20. So if you join for my channel, appreciate y'all. Much love and support. And what we're going to do is go to the AJ1 Satins. And as you can see here, we have the SKU, we have the release date, we have the retail price, prediction, $250 to $330, best size is 10 through 12. I would go as hard as possible on this one. Great hold, great instant sale. These will drop on many sites, so like I'm going to go all out for them, just because I'm going to try to get whatever size possible. These are going to resell I think they're going to do good with resale. If you're trying to resell, you're trying to become a reseller, this will be a good starter shoe to go out of. And so I'm going to start. I like starting with Foot Locker because Foot Locker is like my go-to when buying. So I'm going to copy that SKU, and we're going to go back here, and we're going to do our Footsites task. So I haven't did anything around Footsites with Sole. I have a whole video of me copying with Sole that I haven't put out yet that I need to edit. And so I'm going to do Foot Locker US. Going to do that. I want random sizing. My proxies. This one is going to be that. Put it to this. Actually, I'm going to use these. And then I'm going to create that many tasks. Then I'm going to go to... So I mean, like this is all that you have to do. It's simple. It's easy. Like, I mean, I don't know. I mean, this is what you'll do for every foot site. As you can see, Sole has Footsites now. I mean, this is really all that I do. I mean, some people say you do one profile per card or whatever. I used to do 3. It's the most I've done. For these, I'm probably gonna do more. because I'm going to have tons of different situations going on with different bots, as well as my proxies. So I went all out on Jeru proxies. As you can see, I'm not going to use Jeru on Sole. I'm going to use some proxies that I was given just to try out. But my main proxies I'm going to be using will be Jeru. Shout out to the homie Jeru, man. We had a conversation in Discord. Real cool guy. Appreciate you. Everything you're doing, bro. And yeah, I mean, this is very simple. And so, like, we'll go to East Bay and we'll go to Foot Action. We'll do the same thing. See what I'm saying? So, like I said, we want to keep it simple as possible. Go here. This is what your task will look like. Your size is random. We're going on Foot Locker US. Your billing, your proxy, timer false. I'm not setting any timers or anything. And I mean, I think this is pretty much as simple as it gets. I know a few people have been asking me how do I set up Sole on Footsites and whatever, but to be honest, I mean it's pretty simple. Sole is a simple bot to use. Like I said, I'm not going to edit any of this. I'm just going to put it out, just because I want the boys to be able to just see like the raw footage. Some people don't tell you where to grab the SKU numbers from, or how to grab the SKU number, or if you're not in a cook group where you can go grab the SKU number. Yeah, so if you're not in the cook group, you can go footlocker.com. We're gonna go. And then we're going to go to, that's not where I want to go actually. So I mean, when you go on Foot Locker, let me make this a little bigger. Here we go. This is where I want to go. Bro, what? Too many requests, bro. I just got on here. Alright. I mean, this is what you go through, bro. This is what you go through. Footlocker.com. I'm gonna go to the release, and so you see they're gonna release in women, preschool, and toddler. We want to go to the women, and you see it's gonna release in 10 hours. And this is your SKU. This is what you'll put in. You'll go here and you'll copy this and you'll put it in the bot. And yeah, these are the shoes that we're going for tomorrow. But you'll do this for every release. You know, just not this release. This will go for literally every release. When you're doing Footsites, and this is not even just for Sole. I mean, this would be for Cyber, Kodai, and I don't have my other bots on this server yet, but I'm working on getting them over. But I mean, yeah, it's just simple. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Like I said, I'm going to just get this video out tonight. Hopefully some of you guys get to catch it before the drop tomorrow. If you don't, cool. I'll still be answering questions and things of that nature. And yeah, man, hopefully good cooking. Make sure you still staying safe out there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because like I said, we're gonna look. This is a channel around botting, bro. We're botting for the culture, cooking for the culture. You hear me? Y'all thought I forgot? Nah, we still cooking for the culture. You hear me? But on the real, man, we just gonna make this like a community. You know, I want my channel to be more of a community where I'm helping you guys, where you guys are helping me, we're helping one another. Because everybody, I mean, it's money out there for everybody to be. Everybody eats. You hear me? That's just what type of guy I am. But yeah, I mean, everybody eats, bro. And you know, let's get to cooking. This video will be out shortly. Like I said, make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, or if you think I didn't go over something, please put it down. in the comments. If I think it's something, you know, that the boys or the girls or the ladies or the gentlemen, whatever, should know, I'll make sure to pin your comment. But I think I touched base with everything. It's real simple setup. And so yeah, man. Peace, love, and happiness, man. Y'all be safe out there. Your boys out. I gotta sit up. Peace.